Oh, no! Sheriff Whammy!
I'm a gaining on you, kid. Maybe, but you'll never catch me. She caught me.
Sheriff Franny always saves the day.
Yeah.
Whoa, horsey!
Hey, don't you want to play cowboy with us, Bailey?
It's fun, Bill Bill.
Oh, thanks, but I want to watch the sky and see when the rain stops so I can go back outside. Oh!
Whoa!
Oh.
Loud. That noise was loud. Yeah, and Bill Bill does not like loud noises. No.
Hey, where is Bailey?
Oh, Bailey? Bill Bill,
Oh.
where you go? Bailey!
Bailey.
Oh, where
Hey,
is
Bailey.
you? Oh, Bill Bill? Oh, there you are, Bailey.
Oh, hey, are you okay?
Yeah, but I don't like the weather outside.
You mean the rain?
No, not the rain. The other part.
You mean the clouds?
No, not the clouds. The other part.
Well, what other part?
Oh, that part. What is that?
Is that a kind of weather?
I don't know. Oh, I wish I knew what that was. What's the word for that sound? Oh,
Word Wally?
oh, yeah. Good idea, Lulu.
Word Wally!
You come too, big kids. Oh.
The babies are here to learn words for different kinds of weather.
Oh, yes, please.
Oh, bright and shiny. What's that, big kids? Sun! Sun! I like the sun.
Oh, and I love to watch these up in the sky. That's called a
Cloud!
cloud. Yes, so pretty.
Yeah. This falls from the sky and makes us wet. What's this? Rain! Yes, teeny tiny drops of water.
Oh, I don't like that noise. What's that called, big kids?
Thunder!
Oh, that loud sound is called thunder.
Yes, and sometimes in a storm, you hear thunder.
Well, now that we've learned the words, it's time for a...
Word party!